globally.
Enough love, that we want. We don't need violence, no. We don't need envy, we don't need grudge. Sound a big thing them. Ghetto youths. Though the times are rough, we ain't giving up. No, we still await Panja blessing to fill our cup. Ghetto youths. Times may seem so hard. I beg you help us, Father God. Protect us from violence, blood spilling, terrorism, local and abroad. People are in need, enough mouth they have to feed. Yes indeed, me see suffering till my eyes bleed. But there must be a brighter day, a better way. I got so many things to say that can be played. I see enough innocent get slay along the way. Some stray them no live for city. The next day I miss say what a calamity. In the city when things get sticky, man I look food for it and him not show no pity. Babylon treat me shitty, know it boil down to the nitty gritty. Busy ghetto youths. Though the times are rough, we ain't giving up. No, we still await Panja blessing to fill our cup. Ghetto youths. Times may seem so hard. I beg you help us, Father God. Protect us from violence, blood spilling, terrorism, local and abroad. People are in need, enough mouth they have to feed. Yes indeed, me see suffering till my eyes bleed. So me say nothing can't hide. Things and times will tell. Politician and Babylon can't escape hell. Too much leaders and none not treat we well. That's why some of the ghetto youths them rebel. Run out pan them like Miguel mass production like the Del. Why them raise the gas price at every gas station? Tiger Mart when never start. Busy. Sufferation and reach, you see it. The youth them want wipe the car glass on the street. You know me I say sometimes if I wonder how them do it. You know me I say no shirt pan back, no shoes pan feet. You see it? Sound a big thing now. Some people can't buy a bread, much less a bed. Rasta no star, blood a leak every day of the week. Right now a week me a week. Ghetto youths. Though the times are rough, we ain't giving up. No, we still await Panja blessing to fill our cup. Ghetto youths. Times may seem so hard. I beg you help us, Father God. Protect us from violence, blood spilling, terrorism, local and abroad. People are in need, enough mouth they have to feed. Yes indeed, me see suffering till my eyes bleed. Ghetto youths. Though the times are rough, we ain't giving up. No, we still await Panja blessing to fill our cup. Ghetto youths. Times may seem so hard. I beg you help us, Father God. Protect us from violence, blood spilling, terrorism, local and abroad. People are in need, enough mouth they have to feed. Yes indeed, me see suffering till my eyes bleed.